Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have Fragments, a pack of atmospheric music and sounds by Makoto Hiramatsu, and another pack of old radio music by 3N. In plugin releases for today, we have an MV and MZ plugin by Kannazuki Sasuke that allows us to create skills and items that can be activated by random allies. An MV and MZ plugin by Ponda that adds a feature to change weapons during battles through the item command. An MZ plugin by Citrus that allows a general setting to have enemies drop or take some gold after each battle. And an MZ plugin by Gere that allows us to customize the items displayed in the status of the equipment screen. Next we have a third set of Japanese yokai sprites by Supekuramu Goken, and lastly, a pack of several dozen door sprites by Noir et Blanc Patisserie. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.